right around the corner, so I thought that I would show you guys my night routine for summer break. So let's get started. I'll just start off with whatever I'm doing that afternoon. So today I was working on some filming and editing.
Used to pay my mind life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool.
And while I'm doing this, I love to light some candles. So my favorite one at the time has been the Trader Joe's grapefruit candle. It's super refreshing and it makes my room smell really good. And also it just kind of sets a good vibe. And of course, at some point I'll end up on my phone, scrolling through Instagram, Twitter. Oh, time to go make dinner. Around 6:30 or 6, I'll go downstairs to eat dinner, or tonight I was actually going to make dinner. I tried to make more of an Asian style dinner, so I made sesame chicken, and then I also cooked some broccoli and rice and made some spring rolls. This was actually my first time making spring rolls, and they were actually really easy to make. Outside. I've been doing this pretty much every night lately before it gets too hot. I really like swimming at night, so that's exactly what I did, and it's what I do a lot of summer nights. After that, I'll dry off, maybe check my phone for a few minutes, and then head inside to change into my pajamas, start getting ready for bed basically. I turned on some music, and then I decided to grab a snack because I was kind of hungry. So tonight I actually made some chocolate covered strawberries. Decided to do some journaling. I like to do either this or read before going to bed just because it really helps to relax me so I can fall asleep faster. Then I'll head into the bathroom and brush my teeth, remove my makeup, take a shower. After that, it's officially time to go to sleep. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Into the corner you go!
I never got this far in the pool.
Your entire life?
No, today. It's still going.
Aloha!
It's cold, it's cold.
Oh, well, now you're not in the shot anymore.
I'm not.
Your arms are, though.
Oh.
That's attractive.